Hey guys, it is Jonah and I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be reacting to The Voice of Australia, this new season, the blind auditions, Janie Gordon singing Songbird. And yeah, so I'm new to The Voice of Australia. I've watched some videos, but I haven't actually gone into a season before where I'm watching the whole season. I'm going to try to do that this year just because it's something for me to react to on my channel and keep you guys happy. Some of my subscribers, but if you guys like The Voice and want to see more of my content, please subscribe down below, and I would greatly appreciate it. And let's get right into this video. Here we go.
There'll be no crying.
Yeah. Not immediately.
She's already through. The sun will be shining, 'cause I feel that way.
Wow.
It's alright. Oh, I know it's alright. And the songbirds keep singing like they know the sky. And I love you.
Wow.
I love you like never before, like never before. Yeah! It's beautiful!
Wow. Wow.
So beautiful!
Hello. Wow. What's your
Hello.
name, darling?
My name's Janie Gordon. I'm 21 and I'm from Victoria.
Well, welcome. Firstly, congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah. Wow. For her turn, she's incredible. She has a nice tone, large range. She's very emotional when she sings. She's able to connect with the song, and it's just stellar. She's very captivating, and it just draws you in. And the switch from her head to chest voice is so great. She has potential to go far into the show, and I can't wait to see what she does later on in the show because she is phenomenal. That was a great audition, great song choice. It fit her voice very well, and I can't wait to see more from her, guys. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I'll be back with more videos later. Thank you, guys.